Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 10 minus 10 times 10 minus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 10 minus 10 gives us 0. And inside this parentheses, we have 10 minus 1, which equals 9. So we have 0 times 9, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and the one parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parentheses, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 10 minus 1, which equals 9. So we have 10 minus 10 then times 9. Now in this expression, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication. 10 times 9 gives us 9t. So we have 10 minus 9t, which equals negative 80. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 80.